Good. All right, now I would like for you to echo these words and listen to the sound in the initial position, which means it's going to be where in the word? Initial? Where's the initial sound going to be? The beginning, the middle, or the end?
End.
No, that's final.
First.
Initial, good. First,
Yay.
first is initial. All right, so echo these words and listen to the sound in the first position. Chin.
Chin. Chin.
Chat.
Chat.
Chop.
Chop.
What sound do you hear? Good. Let's look at these words and see if we can figure out what is making that sound. What do you think is making the ch sound?
C-H.
CH, good. Do you know what CH might be called? What is it, Maya?
Just a vowel.
Yeah.
No. I don't know what we... I forgot. Continental.
It's two letters that come together to make one sound.
Oh, consonant. Dang it, no. Digraph.
Digraph. There you go. A digraph. Because it's two letters coming together to make one sound. Ch is the English pronunciation for digraph CH. We will be discussing some other pronunciations of this digraph next week. So, how do we code digraphs? How, Rule?
Underline it.
We underline them. So, oh, I put those way too high. I did this again. I did this yesterday too. I put them too high. All right, so we underline the CH in all of these words. Then, what kind of digraph is CH? Is that a vowel digraph or a consonant digraph?
Consonant.
Consonant, good.
Yes.
How do you know that?
Because they're both consonants.
They're both consonants. Yes, very good. How am I going to code the vowels in these words?
Underline them. Breathe.
With breathes, because they're all followed by consonants, right? So we've got I followed by a consonant, we put a breathe, A followed by a consonant, O followed by a consonant. Very good. So, let's see. Tate, can you read that word for me?
Chin.
Can you use it in a sentence?
I have a chin on my body.
Good, you do have, I would be really sad if you didn't have a chin on your body.
Yeah, that would be weird.
It would be kind of weird, wouldn't it? Maya, can you read this word for me?
Chat.
Can you use it in a sentence?
I chat to my friends.
You chat to your friends. All right, Rule, what about this one?
Chop.
Chop. And what sentence can you make?
I'm chopping carrots.
Good. I'm going to chop up some carrots. I like it. So, I'm going to put your hand on your throat, just like this. Let's say ch and see if you feel your voice vibrate.
No.
Do you feel it vibrating?
No. No.
No, so this is unvoiced. We will not have to draw a line through it. Good. Let's code some words like what we're going to have on our worksheet. And this time I'll write them lower so you guys can actually help me out. So, let's see. My first one is going to be... Tate, can you come help me with this word?
Okay. Yes, please.
Let's change our color so we can tell what is our coding.
Yay.
Is there anything else, or is that it?
That it.
Do you guys agree that that's all we need to do?
No. Yes.
No?
Yes.
What else do we need to do then?
Put a K back.
Ah, but it says ch. It's not making the k sound, right? So, what is this word?
Chip. 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 Eating a chip.
Chimp. Chimp. Like a monkey. Like a chimpanzee. Chimp.
Chimp.
Okay? Let's try this word. Rule, is that a good level for you to reach?
Yeah.
All right, come here, Rule. Oh, here, I'm going to change the color so we can tell what is our coding. Is there anything else?
Payback.
Not a K back, but you do need to do something to that C.
Oh, cross it out.
Yeah, cross it out, because we don't need to make that sound twice. We just make it once. So it is a silent letter. All right, thank you, sir. Okay. Let me see.
Wow.
Miss Maya, can you come code this word for me? Let's go with red this time. What do we need to do for that word? Good. She's got an open accented vowel. So what is that word?
Hi.
Hi. Hello.
Hello.
Very good. Thank you, Maya.
Hello, my new thing.
Let's see. Let's do one more here. Let me see if anyone is up to the challenge of this word.
Okay, I'll do it. Basketball.
Let's see.
Basket. Yes.
Anybody up to the challenge of coding it? Oh man, 3 of you. Come here, Tate. I like it when I have that much participation. That's awesome. So, what are you going to do first? Oh, not there. Not that first. What are you going to do first?
Erase. Yes.
Yeah, let's do at least a different color so that we can tell what's what. Okay. So, what are you going to do first? How many vowel sounds do you have? Okay, so you're finding your vowels. Then you need to find what?
My consonants.
Good, the consonants in between. We don't ever do the ones outside of our pattern, just the ones in between. Good. Then, where's the best place to divide? Right there between the consonants. I like it. Now you can code your vowels. Look at a vowel followed by a consonant. Code it with a brief. Good. Good. One last thing you have to do. There you go. What's the last thing you need to do? Good. Okay, so he's got his accent on the first. Let's try it out and see if that sounds right.
Basket.
Basket. Basket. Sounds right? Because it wouldn't be basket.
Basket.
Basket. Good.
Basketball.
I'm going to write some more stuff on the board here. Let's see. Okay. Does anybody remember what this mark is? What is that, Maya?
It's I forgot.
You know, one of you boys remember what that is?
I don't know.
I know. I'm going to give Rule a chance to think.
I I don't know.
Okay. Mr. Trimble, what do you think that mark is?
An apostrophe.
An apostrophe. In this phrase, it's not a sentence because it doesn't give me a complete idea, but this phrase, the apostrophe shows ownership. It tells me that this animal belongs to Jim. Jim owns that animal. Maya, will you help me code this phrase? What do we need to do? Okay. Do you guys agree with how she coded it?
Yeah.
Does it look good to you? Good. So what does this say, Maya?
Jim's dog.
Jim's dog. Who does the dog belong to?
Jimmy.
Jim. Good.
Jimmy.
Today on your worksheet, there will be an apostrophe. You don't have to do anything extra to code it. Just know that it shows ownership. It means that something belongs to someone else. Okay? Let's code the next phrase. Rule, will you help me?
Yes.
What's the first word there?
The.
The. So like we talked about the other day, we could code it the way that we know how and make it the, but most of the time we don't say it that way. So we want to learn how to code it the. So, Rule, do you remember how we would code it to make it say the instead of the? Well, that one will be the. Do you remember how we do it to make it say the?
I think I need the eraser smaller.
Do the eraser smaller? Here, tell you what. What if we just do that? If we've got a letter that's not a U, but it sounds like a short U, there's a special mark we use. An upside down E. It's called a schwa. Can you guys say that with me?
Schwa.
Schwa.
Can you help me put it down a little bit?
Yes.
Okay.
If you can't make an upside down E, you can make a circle and then put a line through it, and I'll know what you mean. You can do that on your worksheets too. Sometimes it's really hard to make an upside down E.
Oh, my shirt keeps on getting caught. What did it do? I think I need to raise up a little bit.
Raise it up a little bit? Oh, you're going to raise you up a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa.
Very nice. Okay. Now let's think about the. Let's put our hand on our throat to see if it's going to be voiced or unvoiced. The. The. Is your throat vibrating?
Yes.
Okay, so we need to write a line through it to show that it's voiced. Good? Okay. What about that next word? How are you going to code that?
What?
How are you going to code this word? Okay. Do you guys agree that that needs a breathe?
Yeah.
Looks pretty good to me. You got one more word. How are you going to do this one now?
Another one?
Yep. You got a vowel followed by a consonant, so that sounds good. Sounds like a plan. Very good. Thank you, sir.